I'm recording because my mom says she never snores. Hold on. Damn. So guys, this is me saying my mom does snore, and she snores very loud.